how to create a mobile app in 3 steps. What's good, Wealth Builders? It's your boy Devon back again with another video, and today we're talking about how to create a mobile app in 3 steps. So let's go.
Now tuned into the greatest.
Okay, I know you're reading the title like, no way you can create a mobile app in 3 steps. But in reality, you can, okay? My friend, yes, you can, okay? But before we get into the 3 steps, let's talk about why having a mobile app is so powerful when you have an online business, okay? Now, what would be the reason to have a mobile app for your site or business, okay? Well, according to 2017 US Mobile App Report, users spend around 87% of their time on mobile apps compared to mobile web use. That is just 13%, okay? So basically what they're saying is that more than average person that has a phone in their hand is more likely to use a mobile app than go to an actually mobile web site, okay? So on top of that, half of digital media usage time is spent using smartphone apps, okay? So it's like a no-brainer, okay? You might want to take a look into starting a mobile app for your website. And to be able to do it in 3 steps is the best part, because there is nothing better than making things fast, because money loves speed, okay? When I tell you money loves speed, meaning when you have an idea or something you want to create, the faster you create it, the faster you will get to the money, because money loves speed. All right. And instead of going through a company and building a whole app from scratch, I have an easier way for you to do it. Come on, man. It's the Wealth Builders. I'm here to make your life easier, okay? What you mean? What you thought? I'm just gonna give you 3 steps, right? So it's called Progressive Web Apps, okay? They are one of the best at helping companies or people like you, website owners, build apps, and now they want to help you do the same, okay? So if you want more click-through rates, more clients, and make more money for the rest of 2019 and beyond, then you might want to give this a serious look. I'm serious. You see the look in my face? I'm serious. Okay? This is definitely a Wealth Builder's seal of approval, okay? I put my stamp on it. All right, so go ahead, check it out. It's only 3 steps. You have nothing to lose, not a whole lot of time, and I believe there's a money back guarantee if it doesn't work out for you. So definitely go ahead and check out the app, okay? It's your boy Devon signing off for how to create a mobile app in 3 steps. Do remember, Wealth Builders, make more, save more, build more. It's the Wealth Builders, baby.